I'm talking about is an Enugu-based legal practitioner. She goes by the name Celebrity Lawyer, and she is also a legal content creator. This person I am talking about is no other than Joyce Chiamaka Iweju. Good evening, Chiamaka.
Good evening.
Okay, I don't know if Chiamaka is your first name or Joyce is your first name.
Joyce is my first
Joyce
name.
is your first name.
Yes.
Now, let me tell you why I chose to call you Chiamaka. My native name is Chiamaka.
Aww.
So when I saw your name, and I was also informed that you were the one coming on the show, I said, oh, no wonder. She's doing a whole lot out there. You know, there's something about the Chiamakas being exceptional in whatever it is that they do. So how are you doing tonight?
Just fine.
You're just fine.
Yes.
Why pegging it at just fine? What's happening?
Oh, I had a very long day today.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Dealing with work, creating content.
Both of them.
Both of them.
Both of them.
Oh, okay. I can actually feel. So what's it like, you know, being a content creator as a lawyer? You know, there are some professions that we know that they are very taxing. They demand a lot, your time, commitment, dedication, everything. So how is it like creating content amidst all the things?
Okay, first of all, we have 24 hours in a day.
Okay.
So it's one thing to be able to plan your time. It's another thing to know when to do what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
So I have a content day, like an hour. I select a day and give it an hour. I make like 6 content and edit.
Wait, you make 6 contents?
Yes.
In an hour?
Yes.
Wow.
It's something you know already. It's not like you're going outside your field to go and shoot content. Something I know. So you can summarize something you know in like few minutes, and that's how it started.
Oh, wow. That's amazing. You've got superpowers though. Okay, so you are widely known as a Celebrity Lawyer. How did that name come about?
Oh, Jesus.
What's that?
Okay, so I had this, my nickname in university was Lady J.
Lady J. Okay.
So at the time I was not a lawyer.
Okay.
So when I was called to the bar, I was like, what is that name? Like, so I saw names like Celebrity Barrister, all of those things. And I was like, what name should I give myself? Because your name is your brand and all of that. I said, I'll be widely known, and I'm going to interface with a lot of people, so I should just answer as Celebrity Lawyer. So that was how the name just started. And it started like last year around May.
Was that when you started content creation?
No, I started content creation in January this year.
This year?
This year.
Wow. You started content creation in January this year. Okay. So before content creation, what was Joyce Chiamaka doing?
Just law.
Just law. Going to the courtroom?
Interfacing with clients. It was interesting and boring at the same time. Because the profession is very conservative, and because it's conservative, you find out that there are a lot of lawyers that are depressed and bored of what they are doing, because it's like a stereotypical kind of job. So this year I went to court one day, and the court did not sit that day, and I was like, what kind of a thing is this? So was I going to go back to the office? I just said, shall I just make a video of the court, and I just did that video, and it blew up on TikTok. That's how the whole thing started, to be very honest. So it's just like me trying to make joy in the profession, because law is an amazing profession to be in, but we are underpaid in this part of the world, and you will not blame people because they do not even understand what their rights are. In a society that works, people will earn more, but because Nigerians are not very aware of basic rights, that's why it's like looking like it's a very they'll call it charge and bail. You're not looking you're not looking like a lawyer, because we are underpaid as well. So I just said, let me just enjoy this profession as much as I can. Okay. And that was how the whole thing started.
Oh wow, that's a beautiful story. So you organically grew your TikTok account from scratch to I think is 43.6 thousand followers right now.
now.
Oh, it's 47 followers.
Now.
Okay, 47 followers now.
43.7 now.
Oh, wow. Are you serious? Okay, the last time that I checked, which was today, it was 43.6 thousand followers. So how did you do it? You know, what actually motivated you? I know you already said something about your profession being a stereotyped one, where you just do one particular kind of thing every day, and you just needed a way of escape. You ventured into it. But what were other things that motivated you to go into creating this content for TikTok and other social media platforms where you also post your work?
My dad.
Your dad.
Yes. My
Okay.
dad is an average Nigerian.
All right.
When I mean average, like Nigerians that are not even aware of their rights. Now, something happened 2 years ago. I was not around.
Mm.
My dad was in the shop, and some policemen came to the shop to want to exert this fear of dominance on my dad. And so my mommy called me,
Mm.
and I came over to the shop. I was wearing a short and a shirt, so they did not know who I was.
what time do you go to work? When do you come back to create content?
How do I juggle it? I go to work as early as 8, come
Mhm.
back by 6. That's why if you notice from my page, I wear one one cloth for like 5 to 6 content because I make my videos at once. Write what you're supposed to do, the time you're supposed to do it. So that's how I. And they will still complain that they do not have time. 24 hours can do a lot. Just like you have.
Okay. So, do you have a role model in the industry?
In the legal industry
Not
or
just legal,
generally.
yeah, content creation, yeah. Okay.
Governor Adeleke. So it's funny, but he's somebody. on Monday. So I rolled my bags to Holy Ghost.